Have you ever wondered why your weight loss efforts are not yielding sustainable results? Like many, you probably focus on what you're eating. But have you considered how you're eating? There's a concept called mindful eating, a practice that goes beyond the food on your plate. It's about how you eat, savor, and appreciate each bite. What if the key to your weight loss success lies not just in what you eat, but in how you eat it? Stay tuned to find out. Mindful eating is a practice that goes beyond the act of consuming food. It's a transformative concept that originated from Buddhist teachings and is now recognized globally as a tool for health and wellness. Mindful eating is about engaging fully with the process of eating, from the selection of ingredients, through the preparation of meals, to the act of eating itself. It encourages us to appreciate the colors, textures, flavors, and aromas of our food, and to recognize the nourishment it provides. This practice fosters a healthier relationship with food by promoting awareness of both our physical hunger and satiety cues, and our emotional responses to food. It helps us to distinguish between true hunger and non-hunger triggers for eating, such as boredom, stress, or habit. By being present and savoring each bite, you can transform your eating habits and set the stage for sustainable weight loss. Now, you might be wondering, how does mindful eating translate to sustainable weight loss? Well, the connection lies in the power of awareness. By paying attention to what, when, and how much you're eating, you're better equipped to manage portion sizes, reducing the likelihood of overeating. When you eat mindfully, you're fully present in the moment. You savor each bite, relishing the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. This level of engagement slows down your eating pace, giving your body enough time to register feelings of fullness. As a result, you're less likely to overeat and more likely to feel satisfied with smaller portions. But mindful eating does more than help with portion control. It also encourages healthier food choices. When you eat with intention and attention, you're more likely to choose foods that nourish your body. You start to appreciate the value of quality over quantity, shifting away from calorie-dense, nutrient-poor foods towards wholesome, nutrient-rich ones. Experts in the field of nutrition and psychology affirm the effectiveness of mindful eating as a weight loss strategy. They emphasize that it's not just about shedding pounds, but about cultivating a healthier relationship with food. This approach fosters a sustainable weight loss journey, as it's not about quick fixes or drastic diets, but about gradual, lasting changes. So, by embracing mindful eating, you're not just losing weight, you're nourishing your body and mind, and setting yourself up for long-term success. Intrigued by mindful eating? Here are some practical tips to help you get started. First, eat without distractions. Turn off the TV, put down your phone, and fully engage with your meal. This allows you to focus on the flavors, textures, and the sensation of eating. Next, chew your food slowly. This not only aids digestion, but also gives your brain the time it needs to recognize that you're full, reducing the risk of overeating. Lastly, savor the flavors. Eating isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your body and your mind. Savoring the flavor of each bite helps to create a deeper appreciation for the food you eat. Start small and gradually incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Remember, the journey to sustainable weight loss is not a race, but a marathon. With mindful eating, you're well equipped to run this marathon and reach your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable manner.